Hello everyone, Anthony David is name aka Chidav, and today is another great day because I am going to be consulting for a farm that wants to start with have vegetable production. So that is why I am heading down to the location of the farm. So it's going to be an amazing time. We are going to be checking out a whole lot of things, looking at the soil, and then making recommendations to where to plant and where not to plant. So that is what it is basically. So it's going to be an amazing time. I'm going to be showing you guys every bit of it so that you see what it is. Currently on the field, so I'll be showing you what you need to pay attention to, and then some of the things I kind of observed on the field I've come to really evaluate and then figure out what we are going to be doing on this field. So looking at the soil, because for what we are going to be cultivating, we are going to be cultivating calfare on this field. Looking at what we have here, so I want to look at the soil now. It's quite this is a sandy loam. Yeah, it's a sandy loam soil, and it's good for what we want to do because we need a well drained soil, and I think this will just serve the purpose. So another thing I have to consider again is you have to consider is the relief of the land. So the relief of the land will then determine, when I say relief, I'm referring to the topography of the land, will then determine how the orientation of the bed would go. You know, you have to always plow across the slope. You do not plow along the slope. So that is something we also would be considering on this place. You know, being a soil scientist and then an agronomist at the same time, I always fall in love. First thing is to look at the soil, and then when I look at the soil, physical observation, and in some cases, if it's really a massive project, then there'll be need for me to then do some proper chemical analysis of the soil to then tell the level of nutrients that we have available. But right now the soil, like I said, is looking good for the purpose you want to use it for. It's looking really good. I think we are good to go as regards that. So the next thing we are then going to look at, we'll consider the topography. Like right now the field is cleared already. It's cleared, so we're going to be packing all these things together. Work has already commenced. If you look at that heap there, that is where we're gathering the debris. Hello guys, I told you I was going to keep you posted on happening on this new project we have at hand, and that is exactly what I am doing right now. We are currently undergoing tillage operation. We're trying to get the land ready for the ugwu we are going to be cultivating. mapping out the next set of beds for this project. So we're making use of 6 meter by 5 meter. That is the dimension for the bed, and we want to see how these guys are going to be doing it. We want to see how they'll be doing it. Hello everyone, what we're doing right now is we're trying to pulverize the soy. Yeah, what that means is we're breaking the soy lumps into fragments. So yeah, that's what he's doing. You know, after we've set up the bed, we need to then pulverize the soy, meaning we have to break it into fragments. And the reason why we're doing this is to ensure that we start on a very good note. You need to ensure you get the soy environment as healthy as possible so that your seed will be able to thrive well. So that is what we are doing here. So I'm going to be showing you an unpulverized bed. So this has not been pulverized, meaning it hasn't been broken into fragments. So after the making of the bed, you know, we tilled, and then we tilled the ground, and then we constructed the beds. So here they haven't been pulverized, so we need to pulverize them in order to ensure the right environment for the seeds. And again, it will help you to completely eradicate the weed. And also, even after planting, we are still going to be applying pre-emergence and post-emergence. That is, if we are going to be applying post-emergence, if we can find some of these grasses here, then that means we are going to be applying post-emergence on this field. But right now we just need to pulverize the field and then get the soil ready, loosened up a bit for cultivation, for planting of our ugwu seed. So I told you I'm going to be taking you through on this particular farm setup so that you know how it's being done. So this is what the whole area looks like right now, because we have completely constructed the beds and they are looking very lovely. I know you love what you are seeing right there. So this is what it looks like, and I'm very sure in few months time, a month or a few weeks time, the whole of here is going to be green. So that is the beauty. I know initially you saw a whole lot of bushes around, but we saw an ugwu field, a massive ugwu field, which is under construction. So we're setting it up and we are doing really great. So guys, this is farm setup, and we are just happy to show you how we do it. So guys, we are going to be back. Stay tuned as we take you through on this particular farm setup journey. Guys, what you saw was just basically things you need to pay serious attention to when you are on the field. We've seen a whole lot of amazing tips. So if you want to set up your ugwu field, these are things you must follow strictly and ensure that everything is done properly. Yes, everything is done properly. So guys, there's still a whole lot I'm going to be sharing on how you could really have the best or amazing ugwu field established. So guys, we are going to draw the curtain at this point. We are going to draw the curtain at this point for the first phase of the farm setup. Of course, in our subsequent phases, we are going to be having a second phase where we then talk about the remaining part of the project, how we cultivated and how we got our drip installed, factors we had to consider before we did all that we did. So that is it. That is what we are going to be doing basically in the second part of this video. So do ensure that you click on the link right now to continue watching this video. Of course, the second part of this video is going to be appearing on the screen right now. Make sure you click and go enjoy the second part of this video. Do have a great day, guys.